We bring computer vision to construction management. So we take images and videos from the job site and create 3D models of them and match them to the construction plans. And this helps the construction managers coordinate and identify where delays are likely to happen, and then coordinate their team to avoid those delays. On a typical job site, they may capture images of the site using either handheld cameras, video cameras, time-lapse cameras, or drones. And currently, all those photos often just go in Dropbox folders for documentation. They're not really used to help the planning process. What we can do is we can automatically figure out where those photos were taken from, and then we can create 3D models from multiple photos, and we can localize those photos with the 3D models. The construction sites also typically already have 3D plans that show where the work is going to be put in place and by whom and at what time. And so we can align the photos and the 3D models that we create to those plans, which are called building information models, so that everybody can see at the same time what's planned and what's actually been constructed. So the typical large project is 20 months over schedule and 80% over budget. It's really difficult to make a plan that is reliable. And so really the goal is not to make a more reliable plan, but to be able to react to changes as they happen. Currently, there's a major problem that construction managers don't have timely access to what's going on the job site. So for example, if a crane is supposed to run on a Monday and there's a weather delay, then, if there's high winds, then that crane won't be able to run, and all the tasks that depend on it won't be able to run. And so the managers need to react really quickly and communicate those changes to the subcontractors effectively. What our software does is we capture the reality with the photos, the 3D models, and videos, and we align it to the plans so that we can instantly show the managers what the difference is between what is planned and what's the reality. We also have algorithms that analyze productivity, progress, and constraints in the schedule to highlight locations that are at risk for delay in the future, so that in weekly coordination meetings, instead of focusing on who's behind and why, you can actually focus on where things are likely to be delayed if you don't make improvements to the plans.